Yeah, this is a really, really solid product. Yeah, it's pretty good, pretty well built, very solid, easy to handle, very powerful. Yeah, it's a very powerful, well-built product, and I'm very happy about this purchase. Okay. A few accessories here. Really good. Comes with a nice bag, so you could easily just hang it somewhere. You can take it about as well. You can even take it on a trip if you're going on a trip, and you have little ones that do a lot of spill. It's very easy to clean up. Rugs, chairs, cars, anything. I've tested it. My 3-year-old tested it. It's pretty good.
It's rechargeable, and it comes with several items. So here it is. It comes with a little brush. It comes with this to like make an extender, and then it comes with a little hose along with a charging cord, which is great, and a plug, I think. No, it doesn't come with the plug. That's mine. But this seems to work really great, so let's turn it on and see what it sounds like. I put some coffee grounds on my windowsill to see how well this thing sucks them up, so let's try it.
This unit goes from green to red by simply turning the power on.